Hey y'all, it's Mark A Squared. I got a new thing in the mail today I wanted to show off. I've got a magic little box here with an American lock in it. Keys there, of course, right? Pull this out and let me flip this guy over to reveal it is a Cutaway American lock. Here's the combination, the key cuts. I don't have any picks ready to pick it right now, but I can pick it relatively easy. It is all serrated. Let me see. I'm going to try and focus in here. Come on, buddy boy. I guess the camera's up here. Oh, that'll work. Okay. Let's see. So, yeah. And you can see the pins in there, the key pins, and then the driver pins across the top. Nicely done. Bought it off of eBay from, I think, cat hair, from, I think the seller's name was Cutaways. I think that was the actual user's name. I'll post it in the comments. But yeah, in green, thought that was pretty awesome. It's pretty straightforward to pick. All serrated pins in there currently, and I could swap those out too. I know how to do that, of course. But yeah, I thought that was kind of nice. All right, yeah. Anyways, new fun toy. It is from let's see. There we go. Cutaway CNC machine cutaway locks. Yeah, so that's the dude on eBay. Love it. Love it. Anyway, that's Mark A Squared, and I am out.